Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Now all of us know Newcraftday by this time. They're fabulous. Their shipping is amazing. Their customer service is phenomenal. And their products are just excellent. Oh, sorry, my cat was here. You saw it jumped. It's just catty. I'm just trying to fix that. Now I've got quite a surprise here today, and I'm going to tell you all about it. But give me a second. Let's talk Newcraftday. Now they sell all our favorite cross stitches. They sell all the beaded cross stitches. And guess what? Soon I'm going to show you something beautiful. They are stocking the brands, and they're sending me a beautiful piece, and it's going to be a new start, and I will show it to you guys. Now they don't only sell our favorites. They do diamond painting, paint by numbers, all the accessories and tools you can find with that. They even do customization. Now you can go and play around on their website. It is beautiful, and there's something for everyone. That much I promise you. Now if you order over $59, you get free shipping. And also remember, if you want to save a little bit more, you use my discount code, which is RELA10 for extra 10% off. At the moment, what you can find on Newcraftday is the Easter. Let me just see it. It's the Easter sale. I think it's buy 5 get 1 free. Yes. So happy Easter sale. Buy 5, get 1 free, add 6 to your cart. The more you add, the more you will get. Of course, you can just check inside your cart. Alright, so we're going to open this now. And this is interesting. So you are looking at 2 pictures there. Alright. Now the first one was what they sent me. Newcraftday sent it to me, and they said, alright, we're going to... can I please do this one for them? I said, yes, okay, it's pretty, I'll do it. But what a surprise. All right, I got something else, and I love it. It is amazing. I'm going to leave the link. I think they should fix the picture. I don't know what went where and how it's supposed to be. But I've received this one. And I can't find the picture. So I think the picture on the website might be wrong. It might not. I do not know. We're going to have to ask them, and I will later today after this video. But let's see this one, because I was nicely surprised. It's got a bit more color. I like that it's got a bit more color. I like it a lot, actually. So it was a good surprise. So look at this. It is amazing. 100 by 50 centimeters. Lots of purple. You guys know I love purple. Beautiful picture. It's 11 count. Yeah, I think actually the surprise is even better than the original one. Beautiful. Alright, so I can tell you now something. We've got a glitter canvas. Of course we have a glitter canvas. And it's fabulous. Alright, so we've got our pattern. It is double printed on an A3 page. We've got 43 colors, and it looks super easy. Block stitching. Very, very easy. Symbols are the same as on your Ada. Very, very nice. Let's put that there. So, I can't show you. Normally it doesn't show. You must experience this for yourself. It's a glitter canvas. You can't see it on camera. But the Ada's got that holographic, it's like holographic thread that's intertwined with it. I don't know why they do it, but I like it. Alright, excuse me. Okay, so it is serged on all the sides. We need it to be serged for our convenience, of course. And the top is the edge. You're going to struggle to fray that. It is amazing. So there is probably the name of the stitch, and that's it. That's on the Ada, the name, and then the product code, and some stuff there that you can Google Translate. But the printing is excellent. The actual Ada is phenomenal. It is beautiful. Not a difficult stitch. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. I absolutely adore this. It is a brand and I love it. Very, very good. I'm going to show you this printing from close up. I'm just going to fold it in anyway. Why? There, I can do that. It looks good. Everything looks like that. Amazing, amazing product. I actually love this picture. It's nice. It's beautiful. Now let's have a look at the colors. I didn't see needles, or didn't I show you? No, I just didn't show you. Blame me. I'm so sorry. Now one needle is a bit bent, but I've got plenty. There is 2 needles attached to your Ada. Beautiful product. Oh wow. Look at this. This is really a surprise and really pretty. So here is colors 1 to 21. And then 22 to 43. What an easy, beautiful stitch. Not too small, not too ginormous. It's really pretty. So you got yourself 43 colors. It is a brand. This is gonna turn out amazing. So yeah, tell me what you think. But for me at the moment, I am gonna quickly put it away first. So while I put this away, look at that beauty. Now isn't she just amazing? While you look at her, please, if you are older subscriber or person that, not old in age, I'm saying that wrong. I mean an old seasoned person watching my videos that's not subscribed. That was correct. And if you're a new one, please hit the subscribe button if you would be so kind. It means a lot to me. It helps me out and it's for free. Also, press the like button. If you like this video, leave me a comment. I will get back to you. Now, that first one was beautiful, right? I think it is amazing. All right, in the comments, I'm leaving all the details. And guys, remember, I've received that one. I am gonna let the shop know if there's a difference in picture or if what's going on, but it's beautiful. Excuse me. All right, yeah, we've got 5 needles, needle threader and a thimble in a little test tube. There you go. The pattern is printed on my favorite shiny film for durability. She's got 38 colors and she is cute. 11 count, instructions printed on the pattern. 44 by 44 centimeters, 168 stitches by 168 stitches. Now we've got nice strong white Ada, thick Ada. Then, she's printed very well. 11 count, 38 colors. She's a cartoon. She's gonna look pretty. 44 by 44 centimeters, 168 by 168 stitches. It's 41 by 41 centimeters. How am I talking? All right, so let's look here. While you look at the printing, the fairy brand that Newcraftday is gonna send me, it is so beautiful. It is a vase with red roses and then there's a sunset in the ocean in the back. Really, really pretty stitch. This is very, very cute. All right, so let's pack this away before we open that. I am saving myself disorganization. All right, so let's have a look at this. Oh, can you guys see? My ouchie is getting better. Look at all the greens. Alrighty then, so let's have a look at this cutie pie. Alright, so 38 colors. As you can see, it's lots of greens, very pretty. I think so many greens, look at that. Very, very nice indeed. There you go. Amazing, right? Well, I think it's very pretty. There you go. So, I just want to thank Newcraftday. Amazing. I love the product. I love the way you ship so quick. You guys are extremely, your products are good, but your shipping is extremely fast. Thank you so much for that and for always being so kind and helpful on your customer service. It is appreciated. Then to you guys, yes, you watching me. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. I love you guys and I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Till next time then, Stitcha-Rella.